Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss case study on calculation of credit risk weighted assets and capital fund. So here is the information provided to us. Branch Z of Popular Bank had the following loan portfolio. So this branch has sanctioned the following loans where the outstanding balance is given. Retail loans other than education loans rupees 10 crore. Education loans rupees 2 crore. Home loans, they fall in two categories. First, individual loans up to rupees 30 lakh where total amount is rupees 5 crore. Individual loans above rupees 30 lakh but below 75 lakh, here amount is 1 crore. Loan against shares amount to rupees 1 crore. Corporate loans, again two categories. A1 rated companies 23 crore, A4 rated companies 7 crores. We are also provided RBI rules relating to capital funds and risk weighted assets. So first, rules relating to risk weighted assets. Retail loans including education loans, the risk weight is 75%. Loan against shares, risk weight is 125%. Home loans up to 30 lakh, risk weight is 35%. Home loans above 30 lakh but up to 75 lakh, risk weight is 50%. Corporate loans for A1 credit rated companies 30%. For A4 credit rated companies it is 150%. As regards rules for capital funds can be common equity tier 1 capital, so it should be 4.5%. Total tier 1 capital 7%, which this also includes this 4.5%, and tier 2 capital 2%. This means total capital fund would be 7% plus 2%, that is 9%. So these are the rules of Reserve Bank of India on risk weights and capital funds. Based on this information, we are to make certain calculations relating to risk weights and capital funds. Let us go to our questions. What is the risk weight value for retail loans other than education loans? So here we have to calculate risk weight value for retail loans but other than education loans. The amount of such loans in our question is rupees 10 crore. And RBI rules are given here. For retail loans, the risk weight is 75%. Let us make the calculation. Amount rupees 10 crore, risk weight 75%, hence risk weighted asset value will be, so 10 crore multiplied by 75%, it gives us the risk weighted asset value 750 lakhs or 7.5 crore. For 7.5 crore or 750 lakhs, capital funds at 9% of this risk weighted assets would be 67.50 lakh. So here in our question we are to calculate risk weighted value, that is 750 lakhs, and capital fund for that purpose at rate 9% will be 67.5 lakh. So this is our first question. Second question, what is the amount of common equity tier 1 capital for education loans? as per Basel III. So here we have to calculate common equity tier 1 capital, and common equity tier 1 capital is 4.5% of risk weighted assets. So first we shall calculate the risk weight value. So amount of such loans is rupees 2 crore. The risk weight given is 75%. It is given here. Hence the risk weight value shall be 2 crore multiplied by 75%. So it will be 150 lakhs. And tier 1 capital 4.5% of risk weighted assets. So tier 1 capital 4.5% of risk weighted assets, it is given here. So 150 multiplied by 4.5%. So tier 1 capital, common equity tier 1 capital, that is what we have to calculate. It will be 6.75 lakh. Now what is amount of risk weighted assets for home loans? Risk weighted asset for home loans. So for home loans we had two categories of loans. We shall take up one by one. Loans up to 30 lakh, amount is 5 crore, and risk weight here is 35%. So 5 crore multiplied by 35%, the value shall be 175 lakh. And individual loans above rupees 30 lakh up to 75 lakh, the amount is 1 crore and risk weight is 50%. So it is given here. Risk weight is 50% for this category of loans. So 1 crore multiplied by 50%, it will give us 50 lakh. So this is value of risk weighted assets representing home loans. And total amount shall be 175 lakh plus 50 lakh, that is 225 lakh. And capital fund requirement will be at the rate of 9% of this. So 9% of 225 lakh is 20.25 lakh. Let us go to next question. What is the amount of capital funds for loan against shares? Here are the rules. So capital funds for loan against shares is 125 lakh, 125%. Let us now make the calculation. Amount is 1 crore. Risk weight is 125%. Hence risk weighted asset value shall be 125 lakh. And capital fund at 9% will be 11.25 lakh. So risk weight value is 125 lakh and capital fund required at 9% is 11.25 lakh. Next question. What is total amount of capital fund on corporate loans? For corporate loans, so we have two types of corporate loans as per our question. A1 rated companies 23 crore. Here risk weight is 30%. So it is 30% here. So 23 crore multiplied by 30%, the risk weight asset value shall be 690 lakhs. A4 rated rupees 7 crore, risk weighted value is 150%. It is given here. For A4 credit rating 150%. So 7 crore into 150%, the value shall be 1050 lakh. Hence total value of risk weighted asset because of corporate loans is 690 plus 1050, so the total value is 17.5 lakh, 1740 lakhs. And capital funds at 9% of this amount will be 156.60 lakh. So that is capital funds required for amount of capital funds on corporate loans. Let us see other questions. What is the total risk weight value of the loan assets? So for each loan in the above 5 category, we have calculated the risk weight value. Let us add the risk weighted value. So 750 lakh, 750 lakh for retail loans, 150 for education loans, 125 for loan against, then 225 lakh, then 1740 lakh. So the risk weighted value is 2990 lakhs. Let us see. Next question. What is the total amount of capital fund for the entire loan portfolio? For the entire amount of capital fund. So the amount of capital fund we have already calculated according to the questions. So this is the amount we have already calculated. So we add up the amount. So it should be 262.35 lakh as per the questions asked initially. Well friends, for more such case study questions with explanation in hard copy or soft copy format, or for e-books, for video DVDs, for JIB CIB bank promotion exam, you can call our representative. Thank you friends for watching this video and all good wishes to you. Thank you once again.